something mic'd up, baby. They got something mic'd up today. Yeah. What's going on? How you doing? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good to see you, too. Defense. Good to see you. Ah! Stay ready. Stay ready. Keep going, boy. Great job, yo. Good pass. Good pass. Oh, my God. That's a great shot. That's a great shot. Great shot, Jordan. Go crazy. I'm dropping it down to you. What? I'm dropping it off to you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, bet. Then. All right, all right. Keep going. I got it. I got ball. Can I get my coconut water? Let's go, Rich. And keep get position on that. On just everyone. They smaller. Like, you can get a lot of old boys out there. Just get good position on them.
Defense, we got to ramp it up. Physicality. But offense, share the ball, do things sharp. Keep playing. Here we go.
Either way on the screen, you want me to set it going off your left or your right? So, we go. Yes, sir. Great charge.
Nice, Corey.
What do you take the charge, Corey?